Welcome back. So let's take a look at the new agent mode in ChatGPT 5. So I'm going to give it a task. So what you need to do is first click on the plus sign, and let's see, we can click on add photo and files. And I'm just going to go ahead and add a pic here. I'm just going to pick anything right here, one of these. And now I will jump to the agent mode and I'm going to describe a task. So can you upload the attached pic to one of my YouTube videos that I recently uploaded? So let's give it a run and see what it does. So it says, yeah, I'll open the YouTube Studio, select the recent upload video, and prepare to upload the provided image as a thumbnail. So I didn't even say it was a thumbnail, but it recognized that. So it's going to attempt to open the YouTube site, and then let's see how it works. So what's it doing is trying to sign in, but it's not finding the correct URL. So it's again going back and finding and letting me know that I've navigated to YouTube Studio, but it seems you're not logged in yet. But really I am right here. I'm already logged in. And let's see if I can give this a URL. So I'm going to give it a URL because I'm already logged in, and see what happens now. So now it's still not finding. So what's it doing is saying it's take over the screen and then enter your login credentials. All right, so let's take over. And just a message about ChatGPT's browser. And I'm going to say I understand. And now I'm going to go ahead and control the browser that ChatGPT is also in control of. So as soon as I enter the credentials, it's going to go ahead and upload the image as a thumbnail. I'm going to go ahead and enter the email. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the password and click next. Let me go ahead and quickly verify the two-step verification. And as soon as I do this, it's going to go ahead and continue. And right now I have the control of this virtual browser, but I'm going to give it back to ChatGPT as soon as it signs in. And I'm going to click the appropriate channel name here. And once it's signed in, I'm going to go ahead and click on finish controlling, right? So let's go ahead and finish controlling, give it back to ChatGPT and see what it does with that image that we gave earlier and whether it uploads or not. So as you can see, it's actually the video details page is loaded. I need to find the thumbnail. It goes ahead and finds the thumbnail, and then it's going to go ahead and find the input area, which it highlights. And it's going to go ahead and click on 3 ellipses. And again, it's doing everything step by step, and you can actually see what it's doing in the agent mode. I'm just going to go ahead and use this picture because it's stored in its own directory system virtually, right? So whatever I attached as the picture, it stored it, and now it's going to go ahead and upload. And there we go. Perfect. So how cool is that? So the agent mode is really powerful. You can give it any task that you like, and then once the new thumbnail has been uploaded and is visible in the video details page, it even asks me, would you like me to click save the finalize this change? So it doesn't really automatic save. You can either take over and save it, or you can go back to your YouTube Studio and then save it yourself, or I could do it. So I'm not going to save it because I already have a thumbnail. I just wanted to demonstrate how easy it is to use the agent mode, and you can describe as many tasks as you like. Now you get about 40 or 50 tasks per month, something like that. And there's a free plan and there's a paid plan. So it varies. But that's how ChatGPT 5 is working in agent mode. Let me know if you have any questions with this. Let's move to the next lesson.